Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can create vision boards on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is you have to create an account, and when you create an account, you will be seeing this sort of interface, and you'll be seeing a search bar. So you have to search for vision board. There you can see vision board. You click on it, and you will see a lot of Canva templates. So click on see all. And there you go. You will have a lot of templates that you can use for your vision board. Now, I will click on this vision board template. I will click on customize this template and it will load. And now I can edit the content like this. I can add the pictures by uploading. Here is uploading files on the on the left side. Under the brand, you click on upload and you can upload your things. For example, I can upload this picture here by dragging it. First, I uploaded it by uploading files, and then I dragged it into here, like this, here, like this, here. So, this is how you can edit the same vision board template on Canva. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.